So this is iCar training
And right here,
on the spot
you're gonna have to
in the
measure
shop. These are the kind of owners that you want to work for,
it, but
where they literally pay. So
there's
every
a
one of
6
these
6 meters.
is a sample product of their
Here.
steel, and they're going over the procedures and actually doing an on-hands test with the instructor to prove that they have the competency of actually doing all the proper welds, following the legal procedures for safety, for the DOT, for sheet metal. And they were just previously welding up samples, proving what they can do, that they're actually following procedures, not allowing employees to learn on the job, screwing up customers' cars. This is the kind of shop that you want to see, a shop that actually writes tickets correctly so they can make money, so they can actually afford to pay the workers well, have benefits, pay for the good equipment, and pay for training. This is what you like to see, is stuff like this.